Hello everyone, Transcontinental Railfan here, coming to you with the third week of June of Railfan Updates and Announcements. The first update is from the Railroaders Memorial Museum in downtown Altoona, Pennsylvania. The Roundhouse is temporarily closed due to active restoration work. The Railroaders Memorial Museum will be closed Thursday, June 24th due to a private event. The next update is from the American Steam Railroad in Cleveland, Ohio. American Steam Railroad will host a Legends of Steam dinner event with Doyle McCormick on September 18, 2021 at Bellevue, Ohio. This man has worked on several steam locomotives including Southern Pacific Daylight No. 4449 and Pennsylvania Railroad K4S No. 1361. Visit fireup2100.org for more info. The next announcement is from the Arizona Railway Museum. The museum will host an Arizona Railway Day event on November 13, 2021 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Arizona Railway Museum, 330 E. Ryan Road, Chandler, Arizona. For more info about the museum, visit www.azrymuseum.org. The next update is from the Friends of the 261. The organization recently acquired this Louisville and Nashville painted private car named the Oliver Hazard Perry. There are a couple excursions in late July for passengers to ride in this private car. Visit 261.com for more details. The final announcement is from the Union Pacific Steam Program. On August 5th, Union Pacific Big Boy No. 4014 will begin its 2021 Steam Tour. The locomotive will make some stops including Fort Worth, Texas, Houston, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, St. Louis, Missouri, and Denver, Colorado, respectively. For more information on 4014's 2021 tour, visit Union Pacific Steam Program webpage. That's it for this week's video, and thank you for watching.